Encounter DDM files during disk management or forensic analysis. These relate to disk partition management from a specialized utility. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what Portlock Disk Manager partition files are and their role in disk management. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the DDM file. I'll reveal it at the end. DDM files are partition management files, created by Portlock Disk Manager, a disk partitioning and management utility. They contain disk partition layout information, including partition table data sector, mapping boundary definitions, and disk geometry parameters used for managing hard drive partition structures and boot configurations. Portlock Disk Manager DDM files use a binary format storing master boot record data partition table entries, with cylinder head sector addressing logical block addressing mappings and extended partition chain information. The format includes disk geometry parameters and partition type identifiers for managed disk structures. The standard opener for DDM is known to be Portlock Disk Manager, developed by RTools Technology Inc. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows safeguards them because the OS cannot function properly without them. We're going to check the compatibility list systematically. Right-click your DDM file, then click Open With. Test Portlock Disk Manager if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Persistence is crucial here. If you still can't open the DDM file, it's okay. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, understanding DDM files. DDM files are low-level disk management artifacts and should not be modified manually. They contain critical partition structure information that incorrect editing could render a disk unbootable or cause data loss. These files are managed exclusively through the Portlock Disk Manager utility during authorized disk management operations. Next, viewing partition information. Use disk management utilities like gparted on Linux or disk management on Windows to view current partition layouts without needing the DDM file directly. For forensic examination of DDM files, use a hex editor to inspect the binary partition table data and compare against known MBR partition table structures. Finally, using modern alternatives. For current disk partitioning, needs use modern utilities such as gparted Minitool, Partition Wizard, or the Windows Disk Management Console. These tools provide safe graphical partition management with resize, move, create, and delete operations. Always back up critical data before performing any partition modifications on active drives. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.